Hello, everyone. GM. I hope I'm audible. Okay, I think I am. So welcome to today's stream. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to another episode of our Saturday streams with me, Emmanuel, and Claire. So Claire will be joining us soon. So um, I'll make that update in a bit. So welcome. So yeah, today we're going to be hunting for like OSS projects. Um, and it's sort of like looking at projects and innovations, seeing some of these things that people have been cooking on like GitHub that would be potentially Hacktoberfest projects. We kind of like walk through the process of how you can identify Hacktoberfest projects even ahead of Hacktoberfest, I guess, and how you can like start picking up these projects that you would potentially want to contribute to based on your skill sets, based on what you are feeling, and based on what kinds of contributions you want to make. So, introductions. Hi, I'm Toby Lover, and I'm a software engineer and developer relations engineer at Gaia. I'm excited to be here today, um, streaming. To this side of my screen is Manu. Let me try to be clear.
Hi guys. My name is Emmanuel. Software engineer. Senior front end developer at Rover. Super excited to be here and happy to be for you guys joining in with us today. As Toby said, we'll be doing OSS hunting today. So we'll just be like going through like project on GitHub, open source project on GitHub and looking through it. Yeah. And Claire just joined us. Hi, Claire.
Hi,
Hey
Claire.
everyone.
Welcome. Claire, do you want to introduce yourself?
Okay. Hey everyone. My name's Claire. Sorry about my voice. I have the colds
Oh,
and sound
sorry.
like a frog right now, but ignore that.
No, it's good. It
Um,
sounds good.
okay. Yeah, my name's Claire. I am a Web3 content creator, and I'm so excited for today's stream. We're gonna talk about open source projects. I haven't looked through one in a while, so really exciting, and I hope you are excited as well. Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, definitely looking forward to this episode, and hopefully I able to go through some like really cool project. So yeah, Claire, how's it been? Like, how's it been? Well,
Yeah.
My
uh,
my day,
yes.
I just woke up.
Okay,
Yeah. So
I didn't quite hear. I think my network is up a bit. Can you
no, I
guys hear
can
me?
hear you. I can hear you loud and clear.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Okay, great.
Um,
So yeah, welcome, Claire. Sorry, I got a call at the time. Welcome. Excited to have you here on our stream today again. So this is like episode 2 of Claire being with us live.
Yes.
So at the moment we have like 4 viewers. It seems everybody's at Web3 Lagos conference or they are like at some conference. But yeah, so
The
I'm hoping
FOMO
like
is
we get
real.
like what do you say?
The FOMO is real. I want to be at Web3 Lagos, but I
Yeah,
can't.
I was there on Friday, but I had to like leave early because I had to catch a flight. So yeah, but it was really fun. Like I met a lot of people. I met Santiago, and I met really cool like people in the ecosystem. Even like there were a lot of products like showcasing and stuff there. So it was definitely like super cool. But so yeah, for today, let's dive into OSS projects. So Claire, do you want to lead this stream, or what do you think?
I don't know how to lead streams, and I think you should go. Maybe like on the 5th, I would like take the lead or something.
All
Because
right,
I
no
don't know
problem.
how anything works where I break something.
Okay, no, you can't break anything. It's just like sharing your screen. But don't worry, like I'm definitely going to hold you to your word, like on the 5th stream. So this is like stream 2 now, just 3 months ago. Okay, so sharing my screen. Let me know when you can see my screen.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
It's loading. Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So yeah, today we are going to like basically like scouting and like hunting for projects on GitHub. We're going to start with like the way I typically would do it, for example, looking for projects, and maybe you and Emmanuel can actually testify to this, is that like I typically just like look for the subject matter of the project. Like for
Mm-hmm.
example, if I'm looking for a JS project, I may search like JavaScript. If I'm looking for like front end, I may search for like JavaScript front end framework or something, and and
Yeah.
stuff like that. So, but in this case, I'm actually trying to like hunt for say Oktoberfest potential projects. I can easily just use the search bar. So the search bar of the search bar of GitHub is like a very very powerful search bar. It's like it can do so many things. Honestly, like you just have to like explore like the strengths of it, like to find things, to search for stuff online, and to like filter stuff. Um, so let's go through this for example. Now we search for like Oktoberfest. We found the actual Oktoberfest repo. It's open source, which is oh okay. Yeah, okay. So this person built like an Oktoberfest starter project until the file is sorted. When was the last merge? 6 years ago. So I don't think this is actively maintained, but it's a very popular project apparently. Wait, so you clone this, you add your name, add the profile page, and then you push it. Oh, this looks like this thing that Eddie Jowd built at the
Did.
time. Uh, what
Mm-hmm.
was it called? Huh? Link free or something, or is I don't know, something like his
Yes,
project where
link
he just
free.
has to add. Yeah. Okay, but this is like these sounds are in public archive, so they may not be actively maintained at the moment. But
Yeah, that's another reason why I actually like the GitHub searching system, because
true, true.
it's very easy to go through more recent products or more recent projects and see if you want to contribute and see if
Yeah,
it's like active or not, which is like really nice. Because a
yeah,
lot of people get
yeah,
stuck in
definitely.
like that contribution hell type of thing, where they go to projects that are not active at all and just stay there, never get their pull request merged.
Yeah, true. I agree, definitely, because I think one of the things that I faced during my first Oktoberfest was that it was kind of like difficult to find projects. But at the moment, I was lucky enough to actually be in 4C with Francesco then. So I was like, okay, the first website is Oktoberfest. Um, it's valid for Oktoberfest. You can actually put any contributions up that you want. And I was like, yeah, sure. It did a stream, and I got like a lot of PRs and a lot of issues also. So that was good for me in the regard that I didn't have to actually do like a lot of groundwork, like searching around GitHub, like okay, what kinds of projects would I actually be able to contribute to and stuff. Because it's one thing to actually find projects. It's another thing to actually see those projects that need your need contributions to in
Your
like
skill
specific
set.
regards.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
projects that
definitely.
need contributions with your skill sets.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So yeah, and it's another thing like to find like issues that you can actually tackle as someone that is just trying to like get started and stuff. So, but like the system essentially that I typically use is that I actually do not directly come to GitHub. I go to like the Oktoberfest like Discord because there's a Discord for Oktoberfest. So I have a lot of conversations with people
Oh,
there, see what they are cooking,
Mhm.
and then I just like click on links from there. Or if you want to use the GitHub pattern, you actually need to like do a lot of filtering, and
true.
even by like say language or something like that. For example, if I want to look for Oktoberfest project for Rust, I'm gonna search this way. Rust. So you can see a code coverage tool for Rust projects.
And then if you actually want to like search based on the what are these called? The labels, that would be like
Oh, the
also super
filter.
nice because most of these projects do use more of labels to
Oh, okay.
specify their project specs.
Yeah, so like if you click on this label, for example, it's give you like a list with
A
all
list
the
of
projects that
JavaScript.
yeah. Let me actually show that. Yeah, so like this, you can actually search by labels and stuff. Oh, topics.
Yep.
I think. Yeah, so you can like actually filter. So for example, I mean, if you go to JavaScript now, you obviously will see projects like Free Code Camp. Wait, there's even this project-based learning repo, but not all of them may be like Oktoberfest, but they're definitely open source if they
No,
are
like
on GitHub.
on the search bar, you can actually use the label tag
Oh, for
and
real?
search
Like
for
I
specific.
haven't actually
Yes,
done that before. Like how? So I do like
Hacktoberfest. No,
okay,
Hacktoberfest projects or something like that. Hacktoberfest, and then you
mm-hmm.
go label colon.
Label. Okay. Ah, okay. Just like with issues and stuff.
Yes,
Oh yeah, this makes sense. Yeah, because I use that to actually search for issues. So this is dope. Oh, you can use like find like label like that. You can use label to find oh, you
issues.
just need
Yeah,
to directly to
mostly.
like issues. Oh, this is
Yes.
dope. Pull request here won't count toward October first. Uh oh, okay. So oh wow, there are still some eddy up issues here that I just saw now. Create a simple
Oh wow.
calculator. Yeah, I saw this eddy up issue down here. But the repo has been archived now, I think. Or where is it?
Oh.
Something with the music button. Oh wait, did I see wrong? I just saw Eddie. Okay, this is it. Oh wait, he
Oh,
used
okay.
Eddie's like
Eddie's
label.
good first issue.
Yeah, this is kind of awkward, right? It's like a different repo using Eddie Hub, good first issue. Oh, maybe the repo is like a Eddie Hub repo.
Under
Yes.
Eddie,
Or
the
maybe this is
community.
yeah in the community. Yeah. So where player not playing properly. So this right now I'm sorting by like best match. We can sort by most commented, newest, recently updated and stuff. This kind of feels like a GitHub stream, although it's not a GitHub stream. I promise you. We're just like exploring open source projects. So okay, man is back.
Yeah, I had some issues with my network. I had to switch my network.
Oh yeah, okay, no problem. So project based learning. So yeah, we're like using labels like find issues and stuff here on GitHub, and they've actually
Yeah.
found like even a pattern where you can like filter by labels and stuff. Even pull requests, and it helps you find like issues for um pull requests and issues for it helps you find like pull requests and issues rather like
Mm.
with like just using label directly. But there's one
Yeah,
for million.
I think I've used that label before. Like when you, especially when you like search for something and then you
Mm-hmm.
click it, some random project here. So on the top of the search stuff, you see that those tags. I think they are. It's not only label; they have like other ones,
Yeah,
other
other
tags.
like
Mm.
flags, other flags. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, there's a lot of like there's like 2 million issues here. This is great. This is crazy. I add my name in contributor JSON file. Uh, this is like a merge conflict. Oh, it's closed. Okay, but I need to find issues
Also,
also.
there was this there was this platform I used to that I was using during Oktoberfest to like get project to contribute. I'm trying to remember the name. So it's like it's also an open source project as well.
Oh, like good first issue.dev.
Yes, is it good first? I think so. Yeah, good. There's wait, a different name is actually coming to my head. I just can't.
Like this one. Does it look like this?
Yeah, this was actually among, but there's another one. Um, the landing page has like orange colors. Something.
Oh, orange color. Is it what's it called? This thing that Brian Douglas was doing. Open
Yeah,
sourced.
Open sourced.
open source. Yes. It was open
Oh,
source.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Is it still live though? I think he said he sold
Yeah,
it to
I
the
think
Linux
yeah, he
Foundation.
sold it to Linux Foundation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, wow, wow. Yeah. Let me see if they still have like that list. Because it kind of like became an open source. It became a what's it called? Like an open source auditing and vibe check tool kind
Yeah.
of. for repositories. So I'm not sure if they still keep a list of repos. Is there a place you can find a list of repos?
I don't think that
Uh,
exists.
that used to exist though. Like you would see like a bunch of repos.
Yeah, yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
Interesting. Uh, Start the party. Your next contribution. But do they actually want me to just sign up, or is that the goal of every of these screens? They want me to subscribe to a newsletter. I'm maintaining a team. Yeah, but how do I use this now? Is it like
Oh, so wait. When you click on their newsletter, if you like subscribe to their newsletter, would you get open source projects? Because that would be nice.
stay up to date
Like
with the
open
open
source
source?
projects that need contributions.
I
Oh,
think this is just
oh.
for open
I think
source
it's
stuff.
just like
That could be a
yeah,
nice project that could be a nice project that we could build though together on stream sometime. Just build something that like look for open source trending projects for like
Filters them weekly.
for just beginners and it always like emails them like on a weekly schedule. That could be a nice project. We could use like
Let's
Substack
do
or
it.
something and automate it.
Let's
yeah.
do it.
That would be a nice stream to be honest. Because like we would actually cook a lot and even get like sign-ups, especially like during Oktoberfest that is literally next month. Oh no, in like 2 months,
Oh no,
sorry.
it's not next month. It's in
It's two
October.
months, yeah. Sorry. I thought we were already in September. Mentally I'm in September. So yeah. Okay, wait. Oh wait, let me just go back. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, open source is also like a was I think yeah was a cool, really good resource that I was like just putting together all these like resources, scraping them all together. It was definitely a cool resource. What other repo do I know of? What other like resource do I know of other than open source? Good first issue.
You did look out
Yeah.
good first. Good first issue. First time contributors. First time contributors like one good one.
First
I
time
don't know if it still
contributor. Is that
exists
like
though.
this
Is
one?
it like your screen is frozen here? I can
This
see like
one.
you said. Oh, okay. Uh, contribution.
Which one is it though? Claire?
I think it's the first. Yeah, the first and second. The first is like the GitHub repo. The second is the website.
Oh, first
Oh,
contributions to GitHub.io. So this one,
Yep.
make your first open source contribution in 5 minutes. Okay, this
In
is dope.
five
This kind of like
minutes.
probably
In 5
exaggerating
minutes.
because bro, you still need like Git and a few other like things if you're like
hmm.
contributing something that will require you to clone on your machine. So yeah,
And you need to
just
Exactly.
read like contributions guideline. That would take at least like 2 minutes
to
of your
read
time.
that, bro, like
Yeah.
exactly. Unless you're using AI to like tell you what you need to do though.
Mhm.
If it's like the AI, maybe the AI could be directing you on what to do. But this is dope though. There's like TensorFlow, although these are like really huge projects.
It's
Um,
Babel. I think they are like small projects. Yeah,
Imagine contributing. Sorry, go on, Emmanuel.
I saw like smaller project like you scroll up. Yeah, okay. But most of them are like big projects. Oh, there's a
yeah,
filter. One filter you can probably filter by languages. I feel like there should be like filters for like
good
First
first.
timers, because this is
yeah,
like a
There's a
first
good
time
first issue.
contributors.
There's a
exactly.
good first
Okay.
issue filter. Oh
So,
wow, only this project? Really?
That's insane.
That's kind of right. That's actually very funny. Just
yeah,
one project, bro. So crucigrama. Okay, this is Spanish. I thought it was that was that was like that was an English word or something. Well, yeah, so yeah, there's a lot of Spanish here. General to crossword puzzle. So
It would
crossword,
be nice if you knew Spanish.
yeah, I mean, yeah, could probably like, I mean, to be honest, with languages, as long as there's like internet connectivity in the place you are, you can definitely communicate to anybody you want. Because I mean,
True.
there's AI models now that actually literally speak every language you want to speak. All you need to do is like speak to it in your own language, and it just translates to you, to the person you're speaking to. So that's what most people do nowadays, and you can find any word you want online in any language in like a second, just as fast as that. But yeah, so learning languages are still cool. I would definitely love to be a polyglot, even though I technically am, because like every average Nigerian can speak like can speak like pidgin, can speak English to a very good extent, and then you speak your own native language, so you kind of still have a polyglot because
So
pidgin is a
I'm not
valid
an
language.
I'm not an average Nigerian. Got it. Makes sense.
Okay, also, but yeah, so this is a crossword puzzle project. It definitely looks open source because you can tell that the design looks horrible right now. So yeah, it would be
Yeah,
nice to
just for
actually contribute to this.
getting the crossword to work. Um,
Exactly, bro. So you can tell that yeah, this is open source because if it was an actual product, nobody would ship that kind of UI. So, but yeah, this is okay. This is still actively maintained. Oh, 2 months ago. So yeah, the person is still contributing. Shout out to Mont 4IDO Java Dev, Senior Data Architect. Damn, this is a very thick,
hola,
um,
hola, hola,
this is a
Mugwe.
very thick portfolio.
Yeah, like he has like C plus plus.
Ooh, it's still going. That's
Yeah, bro.
insane.
Person has been active though. Although I can't. Oh, you can go to the English version. Hello
Oh,
world. My name
that's so
is.
nice.
This is very very cool.
Because
Oh
not a
wow,
lot of people have
Microsoft
that.
Oracle. The person is like a data person. Yeah.
Not a lot of projects or a lot of people on GitHub like
Do that.
translate their work.
Yeah. Imagine if
It's
there
very
was
nice.
like even like a GitHub tool that existed on like readmes for your profile that you can just click to generate.
Translate to any language.
Mm-hmm. Wow, I'm
Yeah,
thinking
that,
of so many funny
Nice.
things today. It could be an extension, or it could just be a tool one of those GitHub tools.
hmm yeah.
But yeah, this person is definitely yeah. Also, another way that you can actually like even get to talk about, for example, this is a very small project now. You can actually reach out to Mont. I mean, I don't know what her name is again, but you can actually reach out to someone like her and like chat to her about like, oh, I love your project, um, something, and stuff like that. Are you planning to say scale this project to something? I have some ideas, so you can actually have like
Yeah.
really good conversations with people in the ecosystem. I mean, she linked her LinkedIn. Yeah, that sounded weird in my head. But yeah, she linked her LinkedIn. There's her email here. She's in Buenos Aires, and if you're around there, obviously you can just like link up and stuff. But yeah, so open
Hmm.
source like definitely does connect people. Wait, I stopped
Yeah.
sharing my screen.
Yep, yep.
Somebody asked a question. Does anybody want to take
How do
that?
you find open source projects? Is there a site for this? Yes, I think we explored like a couple of sites. We got good first issue. We got first timers only. There was where we found this crossword puzzle, which we might contribute to. There was also good first. Okay, I mentioned good first issue. There's
Yeah.
first timers. There are a lot of, not a lot, but there are websites that you can actually check out and
hmm And you can also
find
you
new
could also
projects.
yeah, sorry. So you could also like go into like the Hacktoberfest Discord. I
Yeah,
think it's
Yeah.
very active. Like it's not that active. I think till like Hacktoberfest itself
October.
beginning.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
yeah.
you could like see project around there that people are shipping. Yeah, so
But
that's
even
also
if it's not active though, like there's probably like conversations from the previous year
exactly
that people have had with their
man.
repos that you can still check out.
Yeah,
So that's
so
definitely
definitely.
like always a first step or a cool way to get started.
Yep, yep.
So yeah, we explored open source. Explored, um Crucigramma's project. So really nice work that they are doing here with this. So last contribution was 2 months ago, so they're still actively building on it, and they've had like tons of contributions, which is like really nice to see.
hmm
Hmm.
So what else? Let's search. Let's search. What other place have I actually gone to find projects? So yeah, also a Gaia though. I'm cooking something where like most of the projects you have a Gaia are actually putting them up for Oktoberfest so that people can actually come, contribute. So if you're looking to contribute, you can also just reach out to me, shameless plug, to connect you with any of those. So so what else? What else? What else? Let me see if somebody has listed for 2025 already. Oh wow. Somebody has been working on this since April.
What's that?
Oh,
This
Oh, awesome Hacktoberfest project.
for 2025. This
oh,
is
so the
dope.
person has a list of like,
The person
oh,
created a directory 4 months ago.
Is there like a website for it? Because that would be nice.
I think they used GitHub pages. Oh, nice.
Yay.
you could
So the
even
next is
download the
to
zip
push the rate.
folder of like the entire
Yeah,
stuff.
you can
That's
download the zip or the compressed version of it on
yeah,
GitHub.
that's
This is
awesome.
really cool.
Mm-hmm.
There's an Oktoberfest checker repo. I've never seen that before. I was showing privacy error. Come on.
Run away. Run away.
Okay, so the an Oktoberfest tracker would be dope though. Like, it's on GitHub apparently. List of companies giving out swags for Oktoberfest. Okay, this is nice. Somebody actually keeps this. Wait, it's even has a website with 1.5K stars.
People are
Oktoberfest
actively
swag
trying.
list. Oktoberfest swag list. This is cool. So let's check it out. So Oktoberfest 2024 is here. Hello, you beautiful nerds. Welcome to another year of Oktoberfest. So sponsored by TS Circuit. Let's get started for helping. It's click here to
To
be
take
taken to
into
the.
wait, this is not supposed to be the list. Why are we clicking to go somewhere else
No, this
again?
is the list. This is the list. So Digital
Wait,
Ocean is giving out swags,
where?
airbytes. Wait, there's an A to Z thing. So look at the companies here on this sidebar. Antenna Board,
Oh,
Oh,
Upright, Auth Zero by Okta, Ballerina. Well, that sounds
this
like
is
a fun project.
giving like documentation, like DocuSign side. You have
Wait, Chi Money was listed here. Yeah? What do you say?
yeah, so it's giving like documentations vibe, like DocuSign, like deal arrangement.
Yeah,
Quick
bro,
link.
exactly. Look how
Just
Cloudinary is here and Compose You. I know Compose You because when I was working on Eliza at the time. I had built like an Eliza plugin for web search, with no, yeah, for web search at the time with Firecrawl, with LLM search. So I was trying to build one for tool calling, like the agent to be able to like use any tool that he wants with Composio.
yeah.
So that was when I actually found out their project. So it's like really cool because you can create integrations to most things and have your AI agent be able to use it. So
Ooh.
so they were giving out swags last year. DevFest AI,
oh,
interesting.
which company is that? Sorry, Compose. Okay, okay, okay,
Composio,
okay.
Composio, yeah.
Oh.
With DevFest AI, Docs GPT, DStack,
And they have
Hype,
nice like flags of hoodies and
OSS.gg. Oh, this one's are giving out MacBooks and
MacBook?
PS.
That can't be
Wow,
real.
last
I
year.
fear. That can't be real.
How come I didn't see all these projects?
wait, can we go to this? Can we go to the airport, please? Like this
Yeah,
place take
Apple,
them
right? Yeah, bro. Like, let's check them out, bro.
for real, like all open issues or something. Just click on.
Shall we play a game? No, I'm not playing. No. What the hell? Where's the? I'm a game website,
Oh
right?
yeah.
I'm careful with anything I'm pressing like this. Okay, we browse open issues. Dub, form
Why are
breaks.
they taking you to the website? No, GitHub. That's so weird.
Oh, so they have like, oh, so OSS.gg like keeps a bunch of projects like that, I guess. I know from Bricks very well. I had a friend that was contributing to them. So you have like
From
a bunch of projects like that. Hanko also. So for example, this is what I was saying on the sites. I just saw like these projects like this. Browse open issues. Yeah, stop sharing my screen. Okay. So on OSS.gg, requirements, complete code and non-code. Let me go back to their site. So this was what I saw. See you next day. Oh, they built. Okay, it makes sense now. They built like a custom site.
for
For
2020.
so okay, that's why they said you want to play a game. So it was actually a game at the time, I guess.
Mhm.
So you actually would like come to enroll and then like choose
And there's a
a report.
leaderboard.
There's even a leaderboard. Wow, this person won.
Okay, so like I think they're trying to track how many people contributed to the listed project. So they said every contribution is a point. So the more contributions you make, the more points you have, and the higher you rank on the leaderboard.
Wait,
Yeah.
is one contribution 1 point and that person had 24,000?
Like, I was going to say the same. Like for everyone, you get points. Okay, not 1 point. Each point is
Okay.
one lottery ticket. All points collected in the reports are the same. The more points they
Wait,
had, the
no,
chance.
no. Like how did someone get points though? All points collected in all repos are the same. Okay, the more points. Wait, I want to understand what the points translate to
No, 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 no. I don't think
because
the point. I don't think the point is one like 1 to 1, 1 point 1 child one contribution. I don't think so. Because that would be
It
crazy now.
can't be
How?
because
Yeah. How
that
would
was
you
so
make
high.
two? Is that like 2,000 and 2,000 something or like 24,000?
oh no, oh so they list a bunch of projects that you can actually we should enroll this year. This is dope. OSS.gg. I would like my Oktoberfest to be fun this time. I'll definitely enroll in this. This is a nice challenge.
Mm-hmm.
Leaderboard. Let's see. So this person was ranked number one. Let me go and follow them.
That's 24,000 points,
Oh wait, they were supposed to have a profile, but the Vassell app is crashing. Okay, so can how I need to understand what the point system was because this is insane, bro.
bro. And the
How can
the
you even
distance,
get that many contributions?
yeah, you get like even the guy that came second or third, like the distance from
Twenty
him and
thousand. Yeah, 20,000, bro. Wow. I love Indians to be honest. Like from number one to we need a Nigerian on this list also. We need a
You can
Nigerian
do it,
here.
Toby.
Yeah? You want me to
You,
run it?
you can do it, Toby. Go, go, go. You can do
Oh yeah, no, yeah, no. Yeah, I'll try to enroll. Honestly, I actually want to be honest, like outside the like leaderboard stuff, I didn't know about this, so I'd actually like to enroll for it because, bro, like look at they just listed like a bunch of repos down there, and there's prizes
Mhm.
for you to win, like from MacBooks to anything that you want.
Yeah.
This is nice to be honest. So OSS.gg definitely
And
coming
then
for that sector.
this sort of project gets you in that
Yeah,
first vibe, like you
bro,
actually have
exactly.
you are pushing
Wow,
to
this
get.
is
because I think the last Hacktoberfest, they planted a tree, which I honestly loved. But like, if they brought more fun activities aside like the regular swags, it would definitely drive more people to contribute.
yeah, but like planting a tree is also good, right? You're saving the planet.
Hmm. I really loved planting that tree. I think mine has grown. I'm not sure. I did not track it.
I have like two trees now. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh,
They are not calling me to tell me how my tree has been faring. They're not telling me
Yeah,
anything. How do I check
so
in on the tree, bro?
we had like I think last year and
They're
two
supposed
years
to
ago.
approve my visa and fly me over to go and see the tree, bro. Let me see
We
my
need
tree.
to know how the tree is faring. Like, uh,
But I got swags, I think. Oh, or did I? Okay, I don't think I got anything like that. I only got like
no,
virtual or digital stickers or something like that.
I
It
think
was
they
GitHub.
stopped
It was from
For the years with trees, they did not give any swags.
swags. Yeah, I think they stopped
yeah.
the swag stuff like
Funny how it was the last year that they gave out swag that was my first time doing Oktoberfest. That was
that was
2022.
like yeah,
Like,
yeah,
I happened to get a shirt at the time. I still have it even.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, me too. I also have my swag from that
Yeah.
year as well.
That was the last shirt. And that
that
was
was
the
the last.
first and last shirt that they give out. The next year, I just said that, oh yeah, we're not doing this again. There's too much logistics
You plant
attached to.
trees.
Yeah, so now you can plant a tree. Plant a tree was an option that everybody was ignoring, obviously. So, but
Yeah,
now everybody
now,
has no choice.
yeah.
So, but yeah, so there's even Razor Pay here. I think Razor Pay is it not a Nigerian project?
I think
Mm,
so.
so it's like an alternative to Paystack, right? Like a payment, um, yeah, payment processing.
Even ServiceNow was doing this
Oh, you get cash.
from some of
Wow,
them. Some of them give out cash too.
that's
Okay,
so
definitely
cool.
coming. I'm looking forward to like the 2025 one. Uh, oh, there's even branches for like older years. So this is a project that actually has been existing for quite some time. How come I had never stumbled upon these? This is great that we're doing this stream. So it's like during Oktoberfest, you just go to oktoberfestswazlist.com and go to
Yeah.
oss.gg. So these are two repos now that I'm keeping in my mind
Hmm.
to go and check out. This is dope. So wait, what else? Let me go back to that list actually. Um Awesome Oktoberfest. The first time I guide to an open source project, GitHub page, Oktoberfest checker, Oktoberfest on NPM. Interesting. Okay,
Ooh,
was
Those are
doing this.
oh, not found.
doesn't
Well, I was
exist.
going to like, is that a package for Oktoberfest?
Yeah, something that you can run on a terminal or something.
That would be cool. Though.
Oh,
Quick
there are
template.
even meetups.
Yeah, there's
Hmm.
meetups and stuff, apparently.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this page doesn't exist. Oh, I think this links to the official Oktoberfest website. Oh, they've already put like the landing page down.
Ooh.
Oh, wait.
Wait, I can't see your screen, so in case you're
There's
like
people
actually
who
Sorry,
checking.
my bad.
yeah.
Sorry, they already have like the landing page down, but there's no content on it yet. But they already did put this down. So they've been
Let's
cooking on the
go.
side.
Oh,
I'm so excited for this year's Hacktoberfest. I think that's the only time I look through open source projects.
It's not bad to be honest, like because it's a very like it's a very like fast paced month. The entire month is like
Yeah.
just going to like people talking about open source, people shilling their open source projects, and people getting paid.
And so you get a
And
lot of projects in the air,
yeah,
in the
exactly.
wild. So
And you that even like for people that even for people that are projects are not like even super active, like maybe just a few hundred stars, you start seeing like swarms of people pushing PRs and stuff. Because like we just did, people just search by labels, I guess, and they'll find these issues and they'll find their way to your repo to come and make those contributions. So like even if your repo is not even that active, you start seeing contributions from
mhm.
people from all over and stuff.
yeah, definitely. And for people who are even maintaining like open source projects, it's usually a great opportunity to like put throughout your project and you get a lot of contributions, like a lot.
Yeah,
You yeah, and you can even build it up from there, and then even after Oktoberfest, you get to like continue getting like contributions and stuff.
yeah,
Uh,
exactly. I agree. So yeah, does anybody like have anything else to like add?
Not really. I did have this question at the start for you guys. Um, Community, like joining an open source community or contributing to a project. Which do you prefer? Which would you do first? Or which do you like best? I guess that's the question.
uh, I think the tough one, but I think for me, I would
Mhm.
prefer community, right? The reason why I would say that is because most of the time, even if you jump on a project now to contribute,
Yeah.
oftentimes you might get like not convinced, but you might get like put off a bit, right? Because you're trying to figure out, oh, okay, I make contributions to this. Most really projects that are not, their maintenance are not active, so you're not really getting a response. So you're not really sure, right, of what exactly your contribution is doing, or you like raise the PR for a while, and your PR has been there for like ages with no one attending to. You get this, but when you're in a community, it's easier to relate to people, right? So relating with people will uh give you like a better sense of, okay, is this project really something I'll be contributing to and stuff. So from there you can sort of like figure all that stuff out. So that's why I'll say community for me. Yeah.
Yeah, for me too. I mean, I had to go that route because, to be honest, I'm actually. I have been able to. I even have like a first hand, how would I say, experience that can like actively testify anywhere that, bro, like the community definitely is the way. Because if you think about it now, like you are looking for an open source project, you start
Mhm.
doing the manual work yourself, just like we just did. You probably be exposed to like a few things that you find out. Um, yeah, I mean, obviously um, the web is like a bunch of links, all connecting to each other in one way or the other. How would you actually find certain parts of the web if nobody shows them to you, if you don't know about them? So being a community tends to be like a group with so many of these people that are already in the space, and people that like have certain things that they are like, concentrating on and stuff. And when you relate
Yeah.
to them like in like a chill way and stuff, with like just few conversations like, oh, does anybody know this and stuff. People like giving you links, tagging you to stuff, giving you resources to go and check out. That definitely will like help you put you on a path for your own self as a person in open source. So that even when, like, for example, if you get to a stage where you want to show other people like the way, or show them around, like, okay, check this out, you actually know what to direct them to. Not that you'll be like, oh yeah, just do vibes and stuff. Sure, vibes may work, but like still you still need to like tell somebody like, okay, try this and this should work like for you and stuff. So that's where communities like play a vital role. I mean, open source, at its core and at its center, as community right there. Like community encompasses everything. Everything is possible only through communities. Maintainers working on projects together, contributors coming to iterate on the projects, pushing all those PRs, making responding to issues, having conversations on Discord, having conversations on GitHub discussions. It all stems from the fact that they have like a common goal and they just want to be in a group of people who are like focused on a specific thing and are like looking to execute on certain deliverables and just things that are side quests to them, I guess.
Yeah, I actually like
Yeah,
that. And no, you go on, Emmanuel. You go on.
no, you could go on. You can go on. Okay. I was just
Okay.
going to.
Yeah, I actually like agree with you both. And the direction I look at it from is communities last forever, right? Communities stay for life, but then these projects can get archived over
Yeah.
time and they get
Mhm.
lost in the void, right? Because
Mhm.
that's like one mistake I made when starting. I did contribute to some archive projects and it was like, oh no, we don't accept contributions. And that was like really, really bad for me as a beginner because it was a very big red flag. Like, if this is going to be the case for the rest of my life, I don't want to do this. But
Yeah.
I joined a couple of communities that were more welcoming. And even though I did not contribute on GitHub, I did contribute to the communities, which like did impact me like really, really well. So yeah, guys, join communities. I mean, you can still look for projects, but communities will save your life, basically. Yeah.
Yeah, essentially, like, and it's the same thing in any field you are: design, Web3, AI, Web2, front end, back end, anything you are doing, it's the same. And the thing with like communities and all these open source initiatives is that they connect people in different parts of the world. So there's going to be somebody in your community that is at Google. There's going to be somebody in your community that is works at Meta. Somebody in your community that works at Vercel. Somebody in your community that works at Consensus. And you get to meet these people firsthand, when in a normal scenario you would have no other way of actually meeting them, because why in the world would you get that kind of like connection means if not for the fact that you guys happen to be like building on the same thing in like the same group of people. So yeah, that's what I also kind of like always think about it. Um, somebody put a link, find out Usman's dot me. I don't know what that is.
Is it like
I'm not sure.
a?
I
Should
like
I
it.
go to,
I can
Everyone's
check it
like,
from my end and see if it's
maybe in
something we should check
incognito?
out on
Okay.
stream.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, yeah. So this is going to
Okay.
be a short stream. Like I think I said that earlier. So we may actually be wrapping
Yes.
up soon. So
oh, he said he
um,
found that useful. Is it
oh,
like
you found out useful. Oh, thank you for that, Blood. Thank you very much. Maybe we can share it on stream.
Oh
Do
yeah.
you want to share it screen?
So it's like a project. Uh,
Are you sharing your
what's
screen?
that
I can't
called?
see it.
Oh no. Okay. Hold up a second. Oh wait. How do I do that? Okay. I just saw the button. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Share screen. Okay. I just. I okay. That's it.
Shout out to Blood for recommending that. So it's definitely going to
yeah,
we're pulling this up now. So give us a sec.
Can you see my
Add to
screen?
stay. Give me a sec.
not okay at the stage.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
My laptop is yeah. Okay. Oh, this is cool.
Hmm. So you can look for a specific language and just go through projects
Wow,
on
this is
that
very nice.
language.
And
Wow,
this is
this
like
is
update.
really, really nice.
This is live Hacktoberfest.
Ooh,
Nice.
I like that. It's not just built-in projects. It's actually projects gotten
From
directly from
people.
GitHub.
Yeah,
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 Yeah.
exactly.
yeah.
Even from like actual people, even not just like product companies, not just products, project and stuff.
Hmm.
This is dope. Thank you for
Guys,
that,
go
Vlad.
check
This
it
is
out.
like really useful. Go check it out, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you all for like joining 92 of you. There's people from YouTube, from Twitter, and from LinkedIn watching our stream now. So thank you all for being here. Shout out to Vlad again for actually suggesting this resource for also finding projects, pre-Oktoberfest and stuff like that. So we
Yeah.
want the stream to be like super short because it has to be comprehensive enough for you to like assimilate data and stuff. We don't want to bombard you with like a 3 hour stream and stuff, but you have to start looking around. But yeah, with 47-minute video, I think you can actually like gear up for what is coming in 2 months time. Yeah, right. Yeah, in 2 months time. Yeah.
Yes, and I hope you guys are so excited for Hacktoberfest. It's one of the biggest open source things, rituals. Would I kind of call it a ritual? I think I can.
Yeah.
That
Yeah. It
happens,
is.
and it's exciting because the entire community comes together to celebrate this one thing. So do wait because it happens in like 2 months in October, from October 1st to the 31st, and
Yes.
you would be able to get gifts like we saw from OSS.gg.
GG.
People got MacBooks, insane, right? So
Yeah. True.
do wait for it. It's going to be fun and gonna be a blast. Yeah.
Yep. So, yeah, I look forward to that. To be honest, like I actually want to do like more of these challenges this year because last year, I contributed to like a project that me, Emmanuel, and Jumo, a friend of ours, were building, and the year before I contributed to like million or something. So this year it's been nice to actually like
Hmm.
be part of, the crowd out there, like also fighting for MacBook also, fighting for a chance to get a MacBook, I guess. So
Yeah.
like
Well,
so that
I
God
would,
will, like me,
yeah,
so that God will bless.
I would try to reach out to the guy that won the top prize last year.
The 20,
To give him
20K points, right, bro?
uh, how he
Bro,
actually
how did
get
you do it?
Show me your race.
Show us the way,
pick up bro.
bro. Well, yeah, so yeah, definitely. So uh, all of you should definitely like participate in Oktoberfest. We look forward to that. We're going to be doing some like special streams during Oktoberfest where we'll actually have guests on. Um, Clay is going to also help us coordinate. Maybe we can get Anita on the stream sometime
I
in
would
October
definitely
first.
do that. Would be fun.
So yeah, we definitely get like a lot of cool people in the ecosystem and stuff. In a week's time or so, we have like a special guest. I'm thinking of bringing. I've not talked to you guys about it yet, but like post stream, I would actually talk about them to so we can maybe cook up an idea for the stream. But yeah, definitely watch out for like our next streams. In the same places, same time next week, and yeah, have a wonderful weekend. Don't be like us. Touch grass, watch football matches, EPL matches, go and hang out with friends, spend time with your loved ones, and yeah, just have fun and be safe. All right,
Yeah.
peace,
Have
Enjoy
everyone.
your weekend, guys.
yeah, have fun, guys.